In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily buy a game on Steam. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Steam, and then we need to search for a game we would like to buy. To do that, we can head over to Store and then Featured. You will be taken to the page that looks like that, and then we can, in that way, or just by scrolling it down, search for a game you would like to buy. And also we can use search if you are looking for a specific game. Just click right here and then enter the name of the game you are looking for. Let it be, for example, that one. Once you are at a game page, right over here, we can easily find the way how we can buy it. All we have to do is just click right here where it says Add to Cart. Keep in mind that here we got two buttons, which is called Add to Cart. By clicking right here, we'll buy just the particular game. And by clicking right here, we'll buy a collection or bundle, which includes 3 different games, I guess. Sometimes here we may find more options that may include games or DLS or games with DLS bundles or whatever. On that step, you just need to be sure that you are buying the option you need. I'm gonna click at Add to Cart, and then we are taken to that page where we need to choose if we wanna purchase this game for ourselves or if we would like to purchase it as a gift. And now, guys, to continue, I'm gonna click at Purchase for myself, and on the next step we can choose the payment method. Here, as you can see, in my case, my Steam wallet is selected here. However, we can click right here at Change, and then we'll be able to select different method, PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, and another methods. However, I prefer to pay for the games with my Steam wallet, with my Steam account balance. And then to purchase a game, first off we need to check mark it and then click at Purchase. After a couple of seconds, it says that the game is already purchased. Thank you for your purchase, it says here. And now to continue, if we want to install the game right now, we can click at Install Content, then select drive on your computer on which you would like to install that game. I have just C drive here, so I'm gonna select it now and click at Install. It may ask you to accept some agreement. Just click at Accept, and then down below it says Starting Download, so we can click right here now to see the downloading process, and then once it is done, you will be able to play the game you've bought. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.